Today is the birthday of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji, and this year Art of Living is turning 40. So I thought of taking this opportunity to speak about the beauty and benefits of Sky Sudarshan Kriya this month on Nivaran Health's social media. 40 years, over 150 countries, AOL has worked enormously to restore peace, happiness, and created a channel of human development with the aim of a stress-free, violence-free world irrespective of caste, creed. Dev, along with thousands of volunteers, has worked remarkably for rural development projects, river rejuvenation, trauma relief, and education of children. Sudarshan Kriya has been cornerstone of all the Art of Living program. It is a very powerful breathing technique which creates a sense of harmony between body, minds, and soul. Over 50 research papers have been done so far how it works on the body systems. Gurudev started Sky in September 1981, giving an opportunity to go beyond traditional yoga, pranayama, and meditation, covering the medical aspect like hormonal, neurological, cardiorespiratory effect of Sudarshan Kriya, along with the effects of today's metabolic syndrome like hypertension and diabetes. Regular practice of Sudarshan Kriya results in mental relaxation, stress management, and improved organ function. Acts by modulating the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, that is the HPA axis. Several blood analysis tells that it also helps to release hormones like prolactin, which has an antidepressant effect, oxytocin, which enables the effect of bonding and affection, vasopressin, which has an osmolality in the body. Other researchers says it stabilizes the hormones like cortisol and ACTH, which are primary stress hormones and play a major role in diabetes too. Blood lactate level also comes down, which is a very important biochemical markers for the physiological stress. Dopamine, serotonin level also increases, which makes one happy and stabilizes the mood. Specific sequences of varying breathing rates in Sudarshan Kriya increases the brain perfusion, increases attention focus, decreases heart rate, prevent hypoxia. Sky mainly causes vagus nerve stimulation and exert many autonomic effects. Om chanting results in psychological alertness and increases the sensitivity and synchronization of the biorhythms. Ujjayi breath results in a very calming effect and it increases the respiratory sinus arrhythmia. Bhastrika causes autonomous sympathetic activation and CNS excitation of the EEG. Om chanting Kriya practitioners EEG shows a elevation in the beta waves activity in the left frontal occipital region as compared to the control group. Other neurological benefits are pollutants, stress, metabolic byproducts results in formation of free radicals which can lead to heart conditions, cancer. Sudarshan Kriya helps in decreasing the oxidative stress, decrease in glutathione, catalase and SODs. Increased T lymphocytes counts were found in a study group which makes immune system more strong and to fight against viruses like COVID-19. High number of natural killer cells were found in study groups which has helped the cancer survivors also. After 42 days of regular practice, few researchers states cholesterol, LDL and triglyceride level in lipid profile have also shown improvement. Reduction in cortisol hormones, better sleep quality, increased insulin sensitivity has helped many to lower their HbA1c level. Even significant improvement in the blood pressure, palpitation and anxiety levels have also been seen. So if you haven't got a chance or opportunity to experience the beauty of Sudarshan Kriya, just go for it now. Common benefits of Sudarshan Kriya, but only if one practices it regularly.